So I believe that yesterday was a very telling day for the market about where we want to head. I've been looking at all the data, and it looks like the market does in fact want to move up. Now, this is not financial advice, but I want to show you guys what I mean. This is very, very interesting. So one thing I've been assessing heavily is obviously this flow of spot ETFs. We've talked about the movements we've seen there. We obviously see GBTC having another big day of selling, 42,900 BTC dumped on the market. And this was actually a major net outflow day. All right. 15,800 BTC had to be absorbed by the market. You can see that some of these other spot ETFs backed off for the time temporarily. This is the biggest dump day essentially we've had. Now, despite that, despite us having a big negative dump day, look what happened with the charts. We actually had another day of rise, another green candle. And I think this is where it's very telling what the market wants to do. Right now, the market is very, very much absorbing this selling from GBTC. All right. Now, what is happening here is whales and retail are heavily buying up what is being dumped. We know that that CME gap did get closed. We know that we hit our 100-day moving average in terms of BTC. And because of that, we're getting a nice strong bounce out of there. We're actually following exactly what we talked about in the charts, this move towards that 100 or that 50 and that 20-day moving average. All right. Now, ADA's, again, doing a similar thing. Couple doji candles, dragonfly dojis in a row, green candle today, moving towards that same moving average. Now, here's the interesting thing is, and I will say, shorts, they need to watch out. All right. They really do. There's a lot of short positions that got opened. I was looking at some of the balance between short and long positions. It would not surprise me if we had some massive short liquidation candles. What I'm talking about, if you guys aren't familiar, we've had this many times before. When BTC has gone through corrections and consolidation, there have been many times where you have these massive liquidation candles to the upside. We saw it back here in October. We saw it back here in late June of 2023. We saw it back here in March. And we saw it at the beginning of or mid-January of 2023 as well. So there have been many times that these massive short liquidation candles have played out. And if we do get heavy whale buying, if GBTC selling slows down, if these other ETFs ramp up their buying, if anything in that nature happens and BTC gets a kick in the pants here and starts moving, it would not surprise me if we had one of those, basically ushering in a new yearly high. All right. That potential is truly in the cards right now. All right. Same thing with ADA. Obviously, ADA is very much correlated with BTC. The move would be a little more exaggerated because obviously ADA, it moves a little faster than BTC. Okay. So we did the same thing. 100-day moving average, bounce, bounce, bounce. Probably going to go up, try to test this 20 and this 50-day moving average like we talked about yesterday. But the more I look at this, the more bullish I actually am here. I did actually buy some ADA yesterday, guys. I bought around 47 cents. I had some capital that I came into. I'm like, okay, let's go ahead and do a little buying here, just in case. Again, would not be surprised if we did get rejected and come down and things like that. But I'm getting a little more bullish. I'm always bullish, but just seeing what's happening, seeing how the market's absorbing the selling, it almost looks like a lot of that fear got squeezed out of the market. It looks like there's a lot more confidence here around 40K, which is why we're at 40K yesterday. We're at 40K again today, despite the massive selling. I think tomorrow, if we continue to make these steps to the upside, again, like I said, those shorts, they better watch out. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Would love to hear your thoughts on this. Love to hear if you think we are going to experience that flip, that correction, or if you think we have some of these big, massive green liquidation candles in our near future. So I appreciate you guys. Show your love below. Have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.